Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the daily pre-market analysis. I am Brijesh Bhatia. Yesterday, Dow continued its bearish momentum and ended back again the new 52-week low. 29,260 was the close, down by around over a percent, 329 points down. On the contrary, the SGX indicating a positive opening of around 47-48 points. 17,068, 17,070 is the level it's been trading at. Most importantly, if you look at yesterday, even I highlighted that the structure has been turning bearish over here with the double top pattern, the breakdown. The momentum is taking pause right at 200 days 200 day simple moving average over here if you look at, and historically it has played I would say a hurdle for bulls and bears both. We have seen multiple times when the breakout happened, we saw fast and furious. The breakout happened, we have seen a positive rally. This was again a time corrective move around or hovering around 200 days moving average. Again, it's been at around 200 days moving average, and in case it is very important to look at in today's session, though we have the monthly expiry tomorrow, so Wednesday. Generally, if you look at the trend for last 3 to 6 months, the moves are basically on Tuesdays and Wednesday, and Thursday tends to be a range bound session for quite long now. So today will be very important to watch out in Nifty today. If I just go on to the Nifty chart again, if you look at yesterday's low right at 16,978, the 200-day moving average was 16,992. So prices are respecting around 200 days. But again, if I look at the technical structure, if you look at this black line, the wedge breakdown, orange the double top, the blue line the neckline confirmation. So yeah, the structure I believe it's not giving a positive sign for bulls. Even if you remember yesterday, even after testing around 17,000 sub levels, it managed to move higher, 17,166, 170. Retest has happened to this breakdown level, and again the close was near 17,000. So it has been rejecting for quite long. Till this high is not taken out, I believe if you look at the structure 70,642 over here is not taken out, I believe the momentum will continue with the bearish. Once a close above 17,660, then only I think a medium term trend change can happen. Till then, we may see a bearish structure onto the Nifty. If bulls need to cross this 17,660 level, then only we may see a reversal happening. Till then, it would be a short on rise strategy. But today 70,000 will be very important to watch out in today's session. And even if you look at the structure over here, the previous swing highs will act as a support. So 16,800 tends out to be a medium term support as of now, looking at the structure. What is, as I discussed, the things where dollar index is being negative, crude has been coming down. So if you look at the US oil, even I yesterday posted the updated chart in my Telegram group. So here the structure is very negative for crude oil, which may boost Nifty onto the higher side. But yes, we have to keep a watch on this. Prices are now below 200 days average. We have seen the breakout at around 85, which is turning onto the downside now, the breakdown of the triangle structure. So yes, things are not good on crude front as well. So at certain point in time, we may see a structure being changing onto the oil. Coming on to the bank Nifty level, what should you look at? Yeah, so yes, so if I just look at the structure over here, the previous swing supports, the resistance being acted as support has been breached now. So next support, which I believe is placed at 37,900 to 38,000 nearly, where the previous double bottom was structure was there, and we saw a positive rally. So keep a watch on this. In case on intraday front, if we yes, so in case on intraday front, if we manage to move higher or around 39,200, 39,300, as in SGX is indicating a positive opening of around 50 points. If in case a first hour the momentum continues till 39,200, 39,250 is not crossed, you can look for a short on rise strategy. Again, this is acting as a minor support over here, so a sell on rise, the gap resistance will play a key important role over here. So for Bank Nifty to reverse, it has to move over 39,800 or 40,000 levels, where I believe the bullish tone will continue onto the Bank Nifty. So for a day, even if you look at the OI structure over here, yesterday during the day when the markets was reversing back towards 17,100 plus, we saw an addition of 70,000 put and writing of around 42,000 of OI, the fresh OI, and in the end when the markets fell around 50% of OI, the new OI addition was reduced and it was closed around 18,000 plus. But still, if you look at the writing happening at around 1.2 lakh of OI, if in case we break 16,950, 940 levels, because if you look at the LTP, it's still at the slightly higher level. So I believe if in case 16 950 940 is breach, these people may come to unwind their position, and we may see a fall continuing into the bearish structure. So keep a watch on this 16,940 950 and keep a check on 17,000 OI, put OI during the day. In case we miss that, we may see a positive. In case you see a first 30 minutes of OI increasing in the 17,000 put, I believe we may see 17,150, 17,200 levels onto the R side on intraday basis, and keep a watch on these levels. 17,000 will be a key important role in today's session, being an expiry week. Signing off and have a profitable day.